Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? And today we're having all kinds of PC problems. So we lost. It looks like we lost TikTok. I'm trying to get that back up right now. Let's see here. Oh, out of storage space. Huh. Free. Well, damn. Why is it not letting me? Hmm. Saying I need to go live. Or I need to update it, but it's not letting me. What do I have to? Trying to get this real quick. If it'll let me. Doesn't look like it's gonna let me. Hmm. Well. Alright, whatever. We're gonna try one more thing. Oh, here we go. It's going now. It's downloading 3 of them. Cool. Alright, we're gonna put this over here. While that does its thing, and we'll start the show, let it do its thing, and then we'll let TikTok catch back up. Alright, let's get into the charts. Sorry about that, guys. Right now, Bitcoin is testing $30,000, as we can see right here. Bitcoin is testing $30,000. We're heading into. There we go. Let's put this under C or G. Alright, we're gonna close this. Alright, cool. We'll let TikTok catch up later. Right now, Bitcoin testing $30,000. We are heading out of the full moon energy, and I put this out yesterday as sort of kind of something funny, but there's a saying, nothing is everything, but everything is something. So the last two local bottoms, here and here, and now what appears to be here as well. We'll see confirmation if we get above 31,600. But at these moments right here, there was Ledger FUD and there was Ledger FUD. This was their backdoor access, and this was people getting hacked. And again, this is people getting hacked. But in reality, what's going on is they're buying from Amazon. So last 3 local bottoms, there has been Ledger FUD near the bottom. we'll see if this trend continues. They say trend is your friend until it's not. So right now, trend is our friend. So we'll keep honoring it. But yeah, nice green day in the markets today. A lot of things like Pepe up 13.1%. Bitcoin is up significantly as well, up 1.6%. But when Bitcoin gets above 30,000, that is like, that's good news for the markets. That's what you want to see for sure. On the total market cap, we are sitting at 1.19 trillion, up a little bit from yesterday. The biggest gainers on the day are Aptos up 16.25%, Pepe, Shiba, and Solana, followed by Render and XRP. Biggest losers on the day are MNT, XDC, Casper, and Optimism. Breaking news. The Fed reveals cryptocurrency oversight program. And I thought the thing that was very interesting in this article was this right here. The Fed just announced it will launch a new supervisory program for financial institutions that engage in crypto-related activities such as trading, custody, lending, or payments. But I think that they said it correctly. I don't think that there is I think that they said what they meant, and they meant what they said. A supervisory program, as in they are going to make sure that you're being a good little noodle. And are you supposed to do this, Jimmy? Justin, Microsoft to explore digital payments and central bank. All right, TikTok should be good on TikTok. All right, cool. Yeah, I don't know why the hell that happened, but it is. It is what it is. All right, let's get live. Boom. All right, we're live on TikTok. Great. Jesus Christ. We are live on TikTok. Great news. All right, cool. Just in. Presidential candidate Vivek, I don't know how to pronounce his name, says central bank digital currency is a grave threat. A grave threat to liberty. So let's take a listen.
An opponent to central bank digital currencies, which I think are, I think a grave threat to liberty in this country for the same reasons that China is adopting central bank digital currencies. An opponent to central bank digital currencies.
So there you go. All right. Now I've seen this article float around. All right. And here, what my job, I don't even have any music. I try to dispel as much FUD as possible. And I try to also dispel anything that is like Moon Boy FUD, whatever you would call that. Like just nonsense, I guess. But this right here, is that legit, boss? No, it's not. It is not. This is Photoshop. The SEC decides to not appeal Ripple's. This is Photoshop. This isn't real. And I'm seeing this being floated around as though it's real. And this is what happens. Like, it's crazy how this happens. This happens with FUD. Like yesterday, I showed the video of the girl who lost all of her crypto, but in reality, she bought a ledger from Amazon. And people were sharing it as though it were gospel. So I'll do my best on this channel to dispel any FUD or any like nonsense like this. This is not real. So everyone who's sharing this, it's crazy like how people will just share stuff. New $385 billion investment firm, the mighty BlackRock, willing to have a Bitcoin ETF, maybe not going anywhere for a while.
This is perfectly timed because Novogratz has been the pinata of Bitcoin when it goes down. It's been the genius of Bitcoin when it goes up. And all of a sudden, Larry showed up at the door to say, hey, big, respectable firms can prosecute and do Bitcoin. Link Lawrence Fink of BlackRock to Mike Novogratz.
Well, what's happened is people, as you suggest, make fun of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, but now the establishment, Larry Fink at BlackRock, is now saying they're going to have an ETF, if approved by the government, in Bitcoin. So you're saying, wait a second, if the mighty BlackRock is willing to have an ETF in Bitcoin, maybe Bitcoin's going to be around for a while.
Lisa wants to jump in here, but I'm going to cut to the news moment. Is Carlyle announcing this morning a Bitcoin advocacy?
No, I don't think so. But there's no doubt that Bitcoin is something that I wish I had bought it at $100 a Bitcoin when Mike Novogratz started buying it. It's now at $29,000. So he's made a lot of money. And a lot of people who bought it at the $100 or less are feeling pretty good. Now, it went up as high as 61,000, I think. Even down to 31,000 or even 29,000 now is still pretty good profit if you bought it at 100.
We all wish we would have bought it at 100.
But she goes on to just whatever. You guys can watch this. I'll retweet this. We're not gonna watch the whole thing. Again, me dispelling nonsense. This is what I will do my very best. I feel like I have a responsibility, just like with my HBAR video that I released. HBAR was in my top 5 for the longest time. When I get new information, I will put it out there, whether it's for my portfolio or not. So this right here, this is being shared as gospel, as though the Bitcoin ETF has already been approved. This is how it's being presented, and it will likely get approved. But as right now, as it stands, that is not the case. But what is being said is the BlackRock insider says it's a matter of if, not when, but they're presenting it. A lot of creators are presenting it as though it is gospel, it is done, it is facts, and that is just not the case. Make sure you guys are spamming that like button, hitting that share, commenting down below. So those are the biggest stories of the day. Let's get into the charts. Again, Bitcoin testing 30K right there at that level. And again, yesterday we had the Ledger FUD again. It's like a funny thing, but like every single local bottom, there is Ledger FUD that isn't real. And yesterday there was Ledger FUD that wasn't real, that was being shared as gospel yet again. I'm not affiliated with Ledger, by the way. I have no affiliation with them, but I do my very best to make sure that the information that I'm sharing is true. So there you go. On the total market, we're looking at 1.15 trillion, up 0.5%. The Ethereum is up less than Bitcoin, only up 37, only up 0.37. XRP up 3% right now, and it looks like it found support. As you can see right here, it looks like it found support on this 55 moving average. Now, I originally thought that it was going to find support on the 236. It did not. It broke below it, found support off of the 55 moving average, and it looks like it is going to be a continuation for XRP. You love to see it. I anticipate it's at least going to get to the 83-cent range and test that yet again. I would like to see it make it another leg higher. That would be amazing, getting into the 0.5. at $1.11. That would be, that would be awesome. XLM, XTC, XRP will take over Bitcoin. In market cap, it's possible. O'Day says, please, Sushi, Alliance, Big Co. Thanks, legend. Yo, Savage, what up, Scotty?
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Right now, the DXY opening a little bit on the red side today. I say that. But it's at 102, getting very coiled up. I anticipate a move very, very soon for the DXY. And again, if you don't know what the DXY is, the DXY measures how strong the US dollar is in comparison to the other fiat currencies. Oversimplification for the DXY. An oversimplification is when the DXY goes up, crypto and stocks go down. When the DXY goes down, crypto and stocks go up. So that is the oversimplification. Can you please look at API 3? What's your XRP prediction? We'll go back to XRP. Like overall, or just in the macro or the medium micro? So right now for XRP, we had like a clean breakout. Got rejected off of the 382. Very common place to get rejected. Came back. Now, I anticipated we were going to find support here at the 236, this red or this green line that I drew, but the red one where it wasn't. I anticipated we were going to find support there. We didn't. We broke a little bit below it and actually found support on this green 55 moving average right here. As you can see, a nice clean bounce off of that, poking above the 8 moving average. The next thing you would like to see is us to test the 236, and we'll see if this is sort of a spring or if the 236 is now going to become resistance. We'll see how that plays out. I anticipate we're going to test at least 83 cents in the micro. In the macro, my price prediction for XRP, the retracement is $1.69. Parabolic level is $11. Realistically, $5 to $14 for XRP is where I think it's going to go in 2025. Skid marks. Fab Welt. Also SNX. I got you. What a funny name. Skid marks, I know you're a funny guy. All right, that's pretty much the market update. We'll keep an eye on anything that comes out, any stories that break. But we'll do you guys' coins now. So make sure you guys are spamming the like button, hitting the share. And I mean spam it. And drop your coins below. All right, let's take a look at sushi. Hey brother, can you do Hoppy? Didn't have time yesterday. Thanks. I think I looked at it. I'll look at it again though. Guten Morgan Freeman, dude. Solana seems to have turned a leaf. No more crashing and keeps busy all year. Do Sol, please. I got you. Guten Morgan. API 3. That H-bar post you made hurt my feelings. Well, listen. My goal isn't to make feelings be felt good. My goal is to help people get financial freedom. H-bar was my top 5. It's still in my top 10. But if I get any information at all that goes against what I believe or confirms it, either way, I feel I have a responsibility to inform the public and not just be a moon boy or a negative Nancy, but when new data comes in, to change my perspective based off of that. Bitcoin predictions, I got you. Can Quant hit 10 grand in the next 10 years? I think it's possible. I have a 1388 price target for 2025. And in 10 years, though, I think that that's possible. But what in 10 years, what is 10 grand? What is 10 grand in 10 years, though? That's the thing. I don't know. Blockchain gold. By the way, H-bar is still in my top 10. And it's also, as long as the total supply does not change, the maximum supply, which is 50 billion, as long as that stays put, I still think, 5-10 years from now, it can still get to $2, $3, $4, $5. It's just in the medium term, this bull run, I am less confident that it's going to go parabolic. And I've said all along that most of the coins won't. Most of them will only retrace, which is why when I give these predictions, I always say retracement is here, parabolic is here, because one of those two is going to be hit. I don't know if it's going to go parabolic, but I know it's at least going to retrace. I still love the technology of H-bar. I'm just less confident in the price getting to parabolic, because look, let's look at it like this. This is the main reason, right? And also, here's something to think about too. Just because a coin is awesome or because a coin is crappy doesn't mean that the price will reflect that. A perfect example of this is XRP last bull run did not. Why? Damn it! Why is this like this? XRP last bull run did not make a new all-time high. Pepe went parabolic. Okay, that should tell you everything you need to know about the fundamentals equaling price. They don't. Price does not equal fundamentals, and fundamentals don't equal price. Now, in the really, really macro, I think that it does. But in the 3-year or less time frame, I don't think that they equal each other. Okay. All right. So look, I'm going to show you why my perspective has changed on the price for H-bar. All right. So this is H-bar on the top right here. This is H-bar measured in market cap. On the bottom is H-bar measured in price. Okay. Let me just change. Well, this is the 236 for market cap. This is the 236 for price. As you see, 236, 236. Same line. The red line is the yellow line up here. The yellow box is the red box. They are the same. All right. What you'll notice is for market cap, which market cap measures how much money is invested into the particular project. What you'll notice is the market cap is near the 236. In fact, let's measure how much further the market cap needs to get before it's at 236. It needs to go 15 more percent to get to the 236. Okay, what about the price? How far is the price from the 236? Because these should be the same. If I measure Bitcoin in market cap, it will be the same. But it's not. Now, in order for HBAR to get to the 236 for price, it needs to have a 2x, 192% in order to get to price. But the market cap, it only needs to go up 15% for it to get to the 236. That is a big disparity. And the reason is because the Hedera Foundation has released more supply onto the market than they have supposed to at this moment in time. And that is a massive, that's a massive thing where it needs to be considered for price. That is clear data. Big picture, I still believe in the project. I still think the project's awesome. I still think that the technology is amazing. And as long as the total supply remains at 50 billion, like it is now, I still think it can get to $2 plus. That being said, I think that it's only going to retrace, which is somewhere between 30 and 34 cents is my updated price. I will personally be selling all but 30% at the 618 at 34 cents. Okay? That is what I will be doing with my portfolio on HBAR. I'll hold 30% forever. I will hold 30% forever. But I am less confident that it's going to go parabolic in the next 2 years. It could happen, which is why I'm going to hold 30% to be just in case I'm wrong. But the data right here is very clear. 192% to get to the same level on the charts. This isn't like a normal thing. Like if I look at Bitcoin isn't looking like that. Bitcoin doesn't look anywhere near like that. XRP doesn't look like that. Quant doesn't look like that. What up? Matic P or R? Ooh. It's a good one. I don't know. I probably would lean more towards parabolic. Why would HBAR do that? Do what? Any thoughts on Ruin? I don't have any thoughts. I can look at the charts though. KSM. Got you. Can you look at OP? Sure can. Can you look at FRM coin? Got you, bro. Last one. Nobody does XMR, although I'm curious for comparisons to other TA guys. XMR. Got you, bro. Alright, let's look at some of your guys' coins. Make sure you guys are spamming that like button. Release more tokens than they should have. Why would they do that? I don't. Let me all right, let's just, I'm going to lay it out clearly what they did, okay? I'm going to lay it out clearly what they've done. All right, let's just say for easy math, there was 100 H bar that they were supposed to release all the way up until 2050 when the max is supposed to be released. All right. Well, at this moment, they were supposed to release like 2 and 2 and 2 all the way up to 2050, right? That's what they were supposed to have done. But instead, they've released 4 and 4 and 4. So it's not that the max isn't over 100. The max is still 100, but they've done an advancement, which means on the back end, they're either going to have to create more supply than what is supposed to be, which is 50 billion H bar, or on the back end, it's going to have to be 1 and 1, like that. But it's not supposed to have been this. It was supposed to have been this. And I'm making these numbers up just to illustrate the point. So there you go. Gala Retracer all-time high. Either way, I take profit at both because you never know. ADA. R Weave. But the fact remains for H bar that there's more than double the supply on the market than it's supposed to be at this moment in time. And that's not good. For price. The technology's still awesome, but the price, it's going to take more liquidity to move it. So, take that for what you will. Alright, let's look at some of your guys' coins. Welt. Can't do Welt. I think you asked for Welt yesterday. Can't do that one. SNX. Alright, we're kind of just in this, stuck in this range a little bit right now. Double bottom. Uptrend right now for SNX. But you would like to see body closes above $3.40. And that would be a continuation, which would be good. Your next level that you'd be testing would be the automatic rally, would be $4.50. Retracement would be $14. Parabolic level, $72. Matt says, this guy explains everything so well. Appreciate, bro. Hey, thanks. I appreciate you. Sushi. Fiat. Automatic rally for sushi is $1.61. Retracement is $11. Parabolic level is $59 hairs. $59 hairs. Happy from my man Jeff Cox. On YouTube. OP is on the list. Automatic rally for a Hoppy is $15 hairs. Retracement, $59 hairs. Parabolic level is $289. Soul. Like, look, this is what I'm interested in. Like, to give you an example. Like, let's see where Solana's market cap is in relation to their price. Just to give you another example. So they're basically at the automatic rally on market cap, which is in between the bottom and the 236. So they're basically roughly at the market cap, or at the automatic rally. It's the same thing. So the market cap for Solana looks the same as the price. H-bar doesn't look like that, and I don't even like Solana. So this means the correct supply is on the market. Retracement, $131. Parabolic level for Solana is $652. You still bullish on Gala to $1? I am. I am still bullish on Gala. I would still take profit at the retracement though. Theta, I got you. Good morning, you savage. Good Morgan Freeman.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Don't have a good day. Have a great day. Oh, API 3. What's the retracement for Gala? I got you. Like how... Listen, I can't tell you guys what to do. I'm not a financial advisor. Cannot tell you guys what to do. But what I do... is if I firmly believe in a project, I will take about 30 to 35% at the retracements. Even if I think that this is it, I still take 30 to 35% at the retracements. If I don't, I take 65% to 75% at retracements. Even my number one, number two bags, I still take profit at retracements because a lot of times, even if it goes parabolic, it still gets rejected at the retracement. It gives you more opportunity to buy more. All right, API 3 is breaking out. Looks like. Tested the 200 moving average, got rejected, came back to the 8. See if we find support here. Automatic rally $1.57 for API 3. Retracement is $5.30. Parabolic level $23. So where do you think we're going, bro? Near Moon River. Got you. I think we're going to have one more leg up for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the market. It's testing 30K right now. Oh, that's funny. For Bitcoin. Yeah, I'm about to do Bitcoin next. So we'll look at that. I'll give you the micro, medium, and long for Bitcoin. KTN. All right, let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin. All right. I've said this many times, but this is the opposite of this. So all of last year, the market was just sideways, grueling, and down. Okay? Let me make this really big so you can see it. So the market last year was just sideways, grueling, and down, right? Delete this. Every up was like a grueling up and big legs down. Grueling up, big legs down. Grueling up, big legs down. That was all of 2022. All of 2023 has been the opposite of that. Big moves up, grueling down. Big moves up, grueling down. Big moves up, grueling down. And it looks like we're prime for another big move up. This one would be getting us above or testing the 32K range. Once we get above 32K, we're going to go to 35K very fast. Very, very fast. Quick, fast, in a hurry. The last three local bottoms, there has been ledger FUD. So that's a funny little indicator that you could be looking out for. If there's ledger FUD, we're near the local bottom. Because the last three times there has been ledger FUD at the bottom. In the micro or in the medium term, I still think that we're going to retrace for Bitcoin, getting to the 618 at $48,000. But right now, the next leg that we're testing is probably getting into that 35K range. At 35K range is probably when you're going to start seeing a lot of altcoins start ripping. And that will take us into the end of 2023. We're probably going to get rejected off of the 618, just like we did back here. Came up to the 618, as you see. Got rejected, came back down before then going off and away to the next bull run. Bull run, bear market, retracement to the 618, rejection, off and away to the next bull run. That will take us into 2024, 2025. And in the bull run, I think that the price is going to be somewhere between 100,000, and if something is 100,000 or $1 or $10 or something nice even number, here's a trick for you guys. If something is a nice even number, it's not that. It's really, so if 100,000 is really the number, the price is really going to be like 88,000 or something like that. It's not going to get to $1 or $10 or $100, or there's a huge psychological level and there's going to be a big selling wall. So between, call it 88,000 and 207,000 is the maximum parabolic for Bitcoin in 2025. Now, when we start getting up to like 150,000 or 138,000, what you'll see on Twitter, on TikTok, and all that, you're going to see people calling for $500,000 Bitcoin or $1 million Bitcoin. Just like they did back here. Just like, okay, and also down here, everybody and their mother was calling for 12K, 10K Bitcoin. Everyone thought it was going to 10K or 12K, 10K or 12K, 10K or 12K. Outside of me, how many crypto creators were calling that 15K was the bottom? I'm aware of none. But on the flip side of that, on this run, everybody and their mother at this moment in time right here, when we start getting into this area, everybody's saying it's going to 100K. 100K, bro. I'm sure of it. 100K. Everybody and their mother. 100K. When everybody and their mother's calling for something, it's over. the move to the downside is over or the move to the upside is over. When everybody and their mother is looking for the same thing, it's not coming. It won't be here. It shan't be happening. All right, so like when we start getting up here and you start hearing on Twitter, on TikTok, we're going to 1 million, we're going to 250,000, we're going to 500,000, whatever, it doesn't matter. It's over. It's done. Take profit. So there you go. 88K, as high as $207,000 for Bitcoin. That is my price targets. You don't have to just wait for one number. Just take profit along the way. It's better to be a day early and $1 short than it is to wait for the day that never comes. I've said this example before too. Let's say we have X coin, and let me make it white. We have X coin, and let me fix my camera before I give you this gold gems. All right, let's say we have X coin. Okay, and Ski thinks X coin is going to go to $100. Let's say X coin equals $5 right now, and you think it's going to go to $1,000. All right. You think it's going to go to $1,000. And let's say X coin. Let me change my marker here. We'll make it green. Let's say X coin is riding up. Boom, boom, boom. And right here was $100. I sold all of mine at $100. Went from $5 to $100. But it went all the way up to $930. But you were like, nah, it's gonna get there. I know it's almost there. It's gonna get to 1,000. It's gonna get to 1,000, bro. It's gonna get, and then boom, it falls off a cliff. Who was more right? You were more right because you thought it was gonna get to 1,000, and it got to 930. But who made more money? I made more money because I took profit. Don't wait for the day that never comes. Take profit. Don't join any cults. At the top of the market, people will want you to join the cult. And they'll be like, no, it's bigger than the price, bro. We're part of a movement now. This is bigger than just that. It's a part of a movement. AKA, they want you to be liquidity so that they can sell. That's what that is. Don't join any cults. Take profit. If you ever have life-changing profits, take profit. Take profit. Okay? Dollar cost average at the bottom. Buy every single week when it's scary, and sell every single week when stuff starts getting euphoric. That's it. That's all you got to do. He says, guy, I know I put 3K into SHIB and went all the way up to 40K, watched it all the way down. So in hindsight, what I always say is if you ever double your money, go ahead and take 5 to 10%. This is hindsight, just lessons learned for next bull run. So you had your 3K, and when it went up to 6K, if you would have took 5%, that would have been, what's 5% of 6K? I don't remember. $300. Okay, so you'd have 10% would be, and then you go up to 9K, and then you just keep doing that. 9K, 12K. You take another 5% all the way until eventually you have your full initial investment all the way out, and then you can just ride everything else. Not me, a friend. Yeah, I had a friend do the same thing, and I begged him to sell. He had Dogecoin, like a couple $100, and it went all the way to over 6 figures at the top, and I begged him to sell, and he didn't. He was like, nah, I'm waiting for $1. Okay, bro. And he wrote it all the way back down, and now it's worth a few $1,000s. All right, let's continue. I got sidetracked here. So yeah, like that's a good rule of thumb. Anytime you have double your money, take profit. At least 5%. Really, like 10%. Ain't gonna hurt nobody. Minimum. Take 10%. All right, where were we? KSM, OP. How long have we been streaming? We have a little chain link breakout. We'll take a look. Did you look at XTC? Not yet. Good morning, Ski. Sidious token, please. I got you. All right, KSM. Automatic rally is $81. Retracement, $318. Will this be on YouTube later? It is. It's on YouTube right now, my friend. But it will live on YouTube forever. Parabolic level is 1588. All my lives live on YouTube forever. As long as they don't get copyrighted or whatever. Did you do Theta yet? I did not. OP. Alright, so OP already went parabolic, so we pulled a new fib on OP. We're already at the 382 again. So the retracement on this is going to be $2. Maximum retracement is $2.55. Parabolic is $9.62. OP hasn't had a proper bull run, so it could keep playing this out over and over again all the way up to the bull run. But yeah, just in the medium term, $9 is the parabolic. FRM. Scotty says, that's awesome. How did I not know you had a YouTube? I'll check it out today. I appreciate that. It's at your boy Ski. Same handle as the one you're live streaming now. There are scammers everywhere. I'm not going to ask you for money. I don't have a WhatsApp. None of that. If these people put as much effort into adding value to the world instead of trying to take it away, they would not need to scam people in the first place. Automatic rally for FRM is 10 cents. Retracement, 47 cents. Parabolic level, $2.48. Gala. They wanted to know the retracement on Gala. The retracement for Gala is 38 cents, as high as 54 cents is the retracement, and then $1 to $3 for parabolic. ADA. Automatic rally, 49 cents. Retracement, $1.53. Parabolic level, $7 hairs. Shem, R weave. Says IOTA if you got time. Got you. Automatic rally, $14. Retracement, $45. Parabolic, $2.20. Fiat. This is from my man Izzy. Pretty much came to the automatic rally. You could count that. Retracement, 153. Parabolic, 811. Theta. Near. Moon River. Automatic rally for Theta is $1.80. Retracement, $8.13. Parabolic level, $39. Near. Yeah, when you guys are checking the charts, like, always look at the market cap too. That'll tell you a lot of information. Tell you a lot of information. Automatic rally is $2.85. Retracement, $10 for near. Parabolic level is $49. Anytime it's like a nice even number of $10, the real number is like $8.88 or something like that. Because there's a huge selling wall at those nice even numbers. Same thing for Bitcoin, like 50,000 for Bitcoin. It took a while to get above. Moon River. Automatic rally is $24. Retracement, $119. Parabolic level is $600. KTN, I think it was. Was it KTN? Yeah. Anthony, thank you for the roses. You savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
He says, hello again, mate. How are you? Good afternoon. Good Morgan Freeman. Anthony, you missed the full class on H-bar. Hot token. I got you. Automatic rally. $2.92. Retracement is $15. Parabolic level is $79. I know it. I went over H-bar thoroughly on this stream. So is it a fake out or is it a breakout? It appears to me to be a breakout. We're testing 30K. It would be confirmation of a breakout of 31,600. Body closes above that. Trend is your friend until it's not. All right, look, I'm gonna go over. I got 3 more coins to do. Let me do these, and then I'm gonna go over H-bar again because this is really important. H-bar is still top 10 for me. Still love H-bar. I'll still hold 30% forever. Wow. Can't do wow. XDC. What's up, Savage? Can you do NKN? Nakamoto. What's going on with Bitcoin? It's pumping. XCC had a clear breakout. Went all the way up to the 382. Got rejected there. Came all the way back to the 236 here at 6 cents. Probably going to consolidate in between these two. If it doesn't hold at the 236, it looks like it's going to hold. But if it doesn't hold, we're going to go all the way back down to the 55 moving average, which would also be back testing the prior breakout. So that wouldn't be that weird at 4.5 cents. But likely, we're going to hang out in between here for a little bit until it wants to go to the next leg higher, which would be to the 0.5 at 10 cents. Damn it. Parabolic level is 64 cents. Can you do LCX? Got you. KDA. Phantom. LCX. Alright. Sidious. Quant, I know by heart. It's my top 3. The retracement is $300. It already hit the lower end of the retracement. It hit the 0.5 already. The max retracement is 300, and the parabolic is anywhere between 1,000 and 1388. Automatic rally for Sidious is 0065. Retracement is 3 cents. Parabolic level is 15 cents. All right, let's look at H-bar again. Because this is important. This is my main concern with H-bar. Right here. Anthony, are you still here? Ah, fuck. All right, cool. By the way, again, let me reiterate. H-bar is still top 5 for me. Still. Or not top 5, top 10. Not top 5. Chill. Still top 5 for me. 10. Jesus Christ. All right. This is the 236. The top one is H bar measured in market cap. Meaning the market cap is chill. The market cap is just how much money is invested into H bar. That's what the market cap is measuring. On the bottom is H bar, but it's measured in price, not market cap. This is the 236. This is the 236. And what you'll notice is from where we're at to the 236 and measured in market cap is about 16%. Would take you from where we're at to get to the 236 would be 16% more would get you to there. This is on the daily. But if we look down here at the price from where we're at to the 236 is 190%. To get to the same level, you would need significantly more liquidity to get you to the same level. And that is my concern. And the reason for this is very specific. It's because the Hedera Foundation has released more supply than they are supposed to at this moment in time. So it looks like this. And I did this earlier. So for easy math, let's just say the total maximum supply is 50 billion, or it is 50 billion, but let's just say it's 100. And they're supposed to release a little bit all the way to 2050. And for this easy math, just to illustrate the point of what's happening, they were supposed to release 2 H bar, 2 H bar, 2 H bar, all the way to 2050, right? And that would equal the 100% of the maximum supply released. No, it's not normal because they were supposed to, like there was a schedule on which they were supposed to have released. I hear what you're saying, but it's not normal because there was a schedule on what they have supposed to release. And they have released more than their schedule. So instead of releasing 2 H bar, they released 4 and 4 and 4. The max is still at this moment in time the same, which is actually 50 billion, but they have released significantly more H bar, significantly more. And you can see it clearly, 17% to 190% to the same level. They've released significantly more H bar than they were supposed to at this moment in time. What this means is at this moment in time, there is significantly more H bar circulating supply than there's supposed to be. And that just, all that equals is supply plus demand equals price. If the demand is the same, but the supply is higher, the price will go down. And it will take much more of this to make the price go up significantly more. So like if you look at other projects like Solana, which I don't like Solana at all. If you measure Solana on market cap versus circulating supply, it does not look like H bar looks. The same thing is true for Filecoin. Filecoin is a lot like HBAR in that regard. Where is Solana? I know I had it up here earlier. Here we go. So here's the market cap for Solana. Again, I don't like Solana. I am not a fan. But they're right in the middle of the 236 on market cap. But the price is also right in the middle. HBAR doesn't look like that. And it's because there's more supply of HBAR than there's supposed to be. That's my biggest concern with the price. It's still in my top 10. I think it's much more likely only going to retrace rather than go parabolic, which for me, parabolic was $2. Big picture, as long as the 50 billion maximum supply stays the same, it can still get to those numbers. It's just going to take a lot more liquidity to get it there. Now, I'm not shitting on HBAR or any coin, but I don't want to join any cults either. So no NKN. I got you, bro. XRP is in your top 10. XRP is in my top 3. What about XLM? XLM's in there. Or are you asking me to do XLM? What do you think about eGold? We'll take a look at eGold. All right, yeah, I got you for Naka. Naka's right now, bro. Don't worry, brother. LCX is on the list. Can you do XLM? I think I did IOTA, no? I got you. Maybe I skipped it. Alright, automatic rally for Naka. We're like gravitating to that. Just kind of marching along. Chart looks actually pretty good. Purple on bottom, green below that, blue above that, and yellow. That is the most bullish posture that a coin can be in. So the automatic rally is 65 cents. Retracement, $3.45. Parabolic level, $17. Can you do Matic, please? Thank you for all the info. What are your thoughts on AGIX? Do you think it can reach the $20 billion market cap? Yeah, it could probably reach that. I don't really have any thoughts on AGIX, though. Like, alright, let's continue. IOTA. So you would like to see this hold right here for IOTA at 15 cents. I had a nice little pump here, getting the 8 moving average sloping to the upside and getting it to cross above the blue and the green would put it in bullish posture, and you would likely test the 200 here at 20 cents. Once you get above that, that would be good, because it hasn't been above the 200 since January of 22. Retracement for IOTA is $1.40. Parabolic level is $6.66. Brother, you're missing the point. The HBAR market cap will certainly reach 20 billion. But the point is the supply is not the same. The supply is not what it's supposed to be. So 20 billion for H bar, that is certainly possible. But if we had 100, we were supposed to have 200 H bar just for easy math. That would get you to the price that you want. But instead of 200, we have 600 H bar. That 20 billion market cap for the price is not going to look the same as it would for the 200 that was supposed. That's the point. Like, can H bar get to 20 billion easily? Like, let me look at the market cap. It's at 2 billion right now, and easily it can get to 20 billion. Let's see. Yeah, it's probably going to get somewhere between 17 and 24 billion dollar market cap. But the point is, like, if it's already at, it's way lower in price than the market cap. The price should be near 25 cents right now based on the supply, but it's not. $20 billion would probably get you higher than 20 cents. I think it's going to go higher than 20 cents. My prediction is 34 cents. But I had an original prediction of 88 to $2. If a project goes from 1 billion to 20 billion, that's 20x. Right. You would think that, except for they keep releasing supply every time it pumps. Like, look. Every time in this bear market that H bar has pumped, they have released more supply. So look at this move. We went all the way to the 236 from December of 22 to February of 23. How much did we go up? We went up 190%. All right, the same move is right here. This is measured in market cap. This is measured in price. The same moves right here. This is the same move. All right. December of 22, February of 23. Same move. So we went up 190% here. We only went up 170% here. And this move right here this is when it really started. February, excuse me. I can't see. June of 23 to July of 23. That one it's very clear. So June of 23 to July is this. But look how much higher it is. This is when it really started. June of 23 to July of 23. 45% to the upside. Here, it's 91%. See how they were closer here and they're not now? This has been happening. Every little pump that they had, they've released more supply than they're supposed to. So that their investors can have money to liquidate. I wasn't talking about H-bar specifically. I was just curious if that's how the market cap works. Yeah. I think market cap is actually a better way to measure a coin, especially like for Shiba and like all these coins with like a bunch of different like 0000. Like market cap's a much better indicator. All right, let's continue these coins. All right. KDA Phantom. Automatic rally for KDA is $1.38. Retracement $4.98. Parabolic level $24. Phantom. Yo, Danny Phantom, he was just 14 when his parents built a very strange machine. So we already hit the automatic rally at 53 cents. Retracement 168. Parabolic level $8. LCX. Can you do amp? I got you. So we went to the 236 already. Nice. Came back to the automatic rally. Retracement 29 cents. Parabolic level for LCX is $1.44. Gold. E-Gold. Automatic rally. $74. Retracement $283. Parabolic level $1,300. XLM and Matic. And then we'll look at the alleged next 1000X. Alright, so XLM already hit the automatic rally. And we're actually finding support on it now. If this doesn't hold, we're going to back test the 55 moving average at 12 cents. Retracement is 49 cents. Parabolic level for XLM is $3. $3.11. He said allegedly. I can't put my stamp of approval on it, so I look at the charts. Matic. Three doll hairs. That's right. That's how real the dollars are. They're like doll hairs. They're just as valuable. All right, so as you see, Matic went all the way to the retracement at 0.5 at $1.56. Came all the way back down to the automatic rally, or the 116 at 50. Well, wicked to 51 cents, but it got all the way down to 57 cents. Came back up to the 236 and is kind of hanging out at the automatic rally. This looks very similar to the prior bull run for Bitcoin. The maximum retracement for Matic is $2, and parabolic level is $9.50. Thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Pretty hype for LCX. That was a decent opinion. I like LCX. I hold LCX. Bam, thank you for the follow, you savage.
I got you for 3 minutes.
Whoops.
3 minutes of heat time.
I hit the wrong button. Render, please. Quant. I did Quant already. 1388. All right, let's look at this alleged let's look at the alleged next 1000X. Mirror protocol. You sure about that? You sure about that? That's why. All right, we poked above the 21 moving average here. Went up 2.3x. Came back down. This needs to hold. This bottom right here, a double bottom is fine, but you don't want to go below that. The next level to the upside is going to be $1 that it's going to be testing, and then the 200 at 169. By the time it gets there, to be at the 236 at 138. Retracement is 267. It's probably where it's going to go. Parabolic level, $13 hairs. Let's see. So to the retracement is an 8x. If it wants to go psychotic, parabolic is a 47x. I mean, that's good, but that's no 1000x, bro. Looping, sir. What do you mean? He says odds if it's there. Skid marks. Loop ring. Oh, I got you. ODD Z. All right, so this touched the automatic rally already at 8.3 cents. This Lamborghini wick right here went straight to the automatic rally. Next 100X is NXRA and Dent. Could be. Retracement. Divergence E. Thank you for the mini star, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
35 cents is the retracement for odds. Parabolic level is $1.80. And then we had loop ring, and that's it. I gotta get off here after that. Automatic rally for loop ring is 54 cents. Retracement $1.80. Parabolic is $9 hairs. 9 doll hairs. I already did theta, my man. You have to go on YouTube and find it. Thank you for the weights, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh, yeah.
I appreciate you, brother. If you guys want to learn how to trade, you can do so on my Patreon. I have a full course there for the price of a cup of coffee. You can get access to exclusive videos, my portfolio, buy, call, sell alerts, books that have helped me, and more. So if you want to do that, link in the description for that. I will never message you. There are scammers everywhere. I'm never going to message you and ask you for your WhatsApp or none of that. I don't have a WhatsApp. I'm not going to message you and ask you, how's your trading going, good friend? That's not me. That's a scammer. Please report them. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless. I'm out.
Damn hustling, 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 hustling,
Hit ya,
hustling,
boy.
hustling, hustling.